information myself, man, because it was strange to me that every month he's going up for a bail hearing, and I know that seems strange to a lot of people.
Live, a judge has denied bail for Sean Diddy Combs. Of course, this was the hip-hop mogul's latest bid for freedom as he remains in federal jail for his racketeering and sex trafficking.
The game may finally be up for Diddy as a no-nonsense judge takes center stage, tightening the grip on one of the most explosive cases the entertainment world has ever witnessed. This is the drama captivating everyone, a courtroom saga sending shockwaves through Hollywood and beyond. Once synonymous with decades of glitz and glamour, Diddy's untouchable empire now teeters on the brink of collapse, overshadowed by grim allegations. At the heart of it all stands a relentless judge, renowned for their unwavering pursuit of justice, ready to shape the fate of this high-stakes. Diddy, a name once synonymous with luxury, power, and influence, now finds himself confined and fighting for his future in a courtroom where fame holds no sway. Unlike the glamorous arenas he once commanded, this courtroom offers no VIP sections or private suites. The latest twist in this saga unfolded when Judge Al Subramanian, renowned for his razor-sharp legal acumen and no-nonsense approach, took over the case. And let's just say, this is not a judge impressed by celebrity status or glittering resumes. In a decisive move, Judge Subramanian recently denied Diddy's third attempt at bail, delivering a ruling that sent shockwaves through the mogul camp. According to court insiders, the judge was blunt and unequivocal, citing compelling evidence that Diddy poses a threat to the community. He pointed to allegations of witness interference, a troubling history of intimidation, and the infamous 2016 video showing Diddy in a violent altercation with former partner Cassie Ventura. Subramanian didn't hold back, labeling the footage as direct evidence of Diddy's propensity for violence. This ruling wasn't just a denial of freedom, it was a powerful statement that the court will not bow to wealth or influence.
Yesterday, on Monday, Diddy celebrated his 55th birthday, but this year was a lot different. It was no Diddy parties, it was none of that. None of that stuff. Well, happily so, I guess, right now. But anyway, so this is his first birthday behind bars.
A lot of money, and they got lawyers that can come up with different reasons and different information and present it to the courts that they are able to get how many bail hearings, as long as you got different information to present to the court, different.
But who is Judge Subramanian, and why is his name suddenly sending shivers through Diddy's legal team? Known as a formidable presence in the legal arena, Subramanian has earned a reputation as a relentless force, unafraid to tackle high-stakes cases involving powerful figures. His courtroom track record is a testament to his meticulous, fair, but uncompromising pursuit of justice.
It looked like he might get bail. Now you're wondering why I'm saying that. See, they are trying to use some of the things that happen to criminals all the time, or inmates all the time. They always, brother, they always do those impromptu.
Say that again, back up. You're saying that there's tapes and they're being shopped?
Yes, there have been people already shopping.
We've heard about the tapes.
Yes.
The shopping thing is.
Yes, there already have been tapes leaking around Hollywood, being shopped around to individuals in Hollywood. But one particular person contacted me to shop a particular video they were in possession.
Insiders describe him as someone who leaves no stone unturned, making him a nightmare opponent for anyone facing allegations as serious as coercion, manipulation, and abuse. For Diddy, having Submarina at the helm could be the worst possible scenario. Sources close to the case are already murmuring that his legal team is feeling the pressure, knowing they're up against a judge who won't bend to power or influence. Diddy's defense team, a lineup of some of the most high-powered attorneys money can buy, is reportedly scrambling behind the scenes as courtroom losses continue to mount. With each ruling, the walls seem to be closing in. Their latest setback, a third failed attempt to secure bail, only adds to the growing pressure. This time, the team had proposed an eye-popping $50 million bail package, which included house arrest in a luxurious Manhattan apartment and 24/7 private security. It's not just Judge Supermanen that has Diddy's legal team on edge. Mounting pressure from prosecutors is adding fuel to the fire. They've painted a damning picture of the music mogul's alleged conduct while in custody. Reports have surfaced claiming Diddy has been using other inmates' phone accounts to bypass monitoring and contact individuals he's expressly prohibited from reaching. Even more alarming are accusations that he's been orchestrating efforts to influence witnesses from behind bars. According to Assistant Attorney Christy Slavic, handwritten notes seized from Diddy's jail cell included instructions to dig up incriminating information on his accusers. Slavic didn't mince words, calling it a blatant attempt to obstruct justice. While Diddy's attorneys argued that the notes were protected under attorney-press line privilege, the judge ruled otherwise, allowing the prosecution to use them as evidence. For Diddy, this ruling was a devastating blow, further compounding his mounting legal troubles and tightening the grip of the case against him. Speaking of shadows, the growing list of accusers stepping forward in recent months is casting an even darker cloud over Diddy's case. The allegations are as shocking as they are numerous, with over 100 individuals now represented by attorney Tony Boothby. According to Boothby, Diddy's infamous freak-off parties weren't merely wild celebrity gatherings. They were allegedly the setting for deeply disturbing behavior.
They said that when they did the impromptu search, they took some of his legal information, and the judge ordered them to give that back. So I guess the lawyers are going to come up with a couple of new things saying that he can't properly, have none of that to be true. I believe that they went in there just like they do all the other inmates based on the information they had. You got to realize this, bro.